So your voice is very low.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Draw a line segment AB. You have to draw an angle of 60 degree by using compass. First of all, draw a line segment AB by using scale of any measurement. Taking A as center. Put your tip of compass at point A and draw an arc of any measurement. This is your point C. आपने क्या करना है, एक पॉइंट पे कंपास की टिप को रख करके एक आर्क लगानी है. क्या लगानी है? आर्क. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ एन आर्क ऑफ एनी मेजरमेंट, एनी रेडियस. हैव यू डन और नॉट? आपने कोई रेडियस फिक्स नहीं है इसमें, किसी भी रेडियस का ओपन कंपास ओपन कीजिए और ड्रॉ एन आर्क, एक आर्क लगाइए. आपने ओपन द सेम now put the tip of compass at point C and open the same compass as previous and draw an arc. Have you drawn or not? Your first arc CD is of 60 degree. ये फर्स्ट आर्क कितने की होती है? 60 डिग्री की होती है. सेकंड आर्क कितने की होती है? 120 डिग्री की. थर्ड आर्क 180 डिग्री. ज्वाइन AD, इसको ज्वाइन कीजिए. दिस इज योर 60 डिग्री है and name it is your E. Any doubt, any problems? Any doubt, any problem? Have you drawn?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Draw it. Show me. Sumit saying your pic is not clear. Mahima, very good, Mahima. Yes, Sumit Singh, very good. Kushi Kumari, very good. Deepak Patil, very good. Yeah, Surya Shukla, very good. Savrit Kushwaha, yes, very good. Puna, very good. Risu, very good. Yeah, today you have to use compass. Yes.
See, show the board.
Okay. Yeah. Basu Yadav, your arc is not proper. You have to put the tip of compass at point C and draw an arc. Arc लगानी, draw भी easy है. You have to draw an arc. Have you done or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now our next question is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question is. First of all, we will draw the angles. After that, we will start exercise 4.3. If you don't know how to draw angles, then how can you complete exercise 4.3? In exercise 4.3 we have to draw angles. In exercise 4.3 we have to draw angles. First we will draw the angle of 60 degree, 30 degree, 15 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree, 105 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree. Okay? Yes. Your next question is?
Okay, sir.
Yes. 2. Draw an angle. An angle of 30 degree by using compass and scale. Compass and scale. Draw a line segment AB. Draw a line segment AB. Same as it is. Draw first of all draw an angle of 60 degree as the previous. जैसे कि हमने पहले क्वेश्चन में किया था, draw an angle of 60 degree. Put the tip of compass at point A. At point A, draw an arc of any radius. Draw an arc of any radius. That is your point C. Now put the tip of compass at point C. Draw an arc. Open the compass same as before. As before. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. That is your D. That is your D. It is your 60 degree. It is your 0 degree. Now student, please tell me that bisector of 0 plus 60 divided by 2. 60 divided by 2 is 30 degree. Yes. Now we will draw the bisector of 60 degree angles. Now we will put the tip of compass at 0 degree and tip of compass at 60 degree and draw the bisector of 60 degree angles. 60 degree angles. Yes. Yes. Yes, students. Now put the tip of compass. Open the compass as before. जैसे पहले जितना बोला हुआ था उतना ही compass आप में ओपन करना है. Open the compass as before. Put the tip of compass at point C. Draw an arc. Put the tip of compass at point P. Draw an arc. Now join this. Have it? Any doubt? Any problems? C और D पे C and D. C and D. Now put on C and D. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Now it is the required angle, that is angle EAC 30 degree. Angle EAB. Angle EAB is a 30 degree. Have you done or not?
Done, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Bisector of angle 60 degree. Yes. Yes, very good. Jyoti Misa, very good. Chitesh, very good. Chitesh, very good. Very good. Kushi Kumari. clear? It is not clear. Surya Skula, very good. Saki Singh, very good. Chetna, very good. Very good. Sabri, very good. Asupal, very good. Sanskruti, गलत आपका ही. Sanskruti, draw in again. Wrong. Chetna, very good. Ashish Kumar Yadav, very good. Usi Kumari, very good. Okay. Angel, very good. Riya, very Riya. 1 second. Riso and Riso, please adjust your camera. Riso, adjust your camera. Sumit Singh. Okay. Very good. आशीष कुमार यादव, वेरी गुड. अब मैंने जिसका कह दिया वेरी गुड उसको बंद करो. आशीष कुमार यादव, वेरी गुड. यस. नवीन कुमार यादव, वेरी गुड. महिमा, वेरी गुड. रिया, वेरी गुड. दिव्या दीपक पाटिल, वेरी गुड. दिव्या, वेरी गुड. आयुष पाल, very good. Aditi Singh is there. Ayush Pal, very good. बस. Poonam, the pig is not clear. Poonam, very faint. Riddhi Misra, very good. Ayush Pal, so Ayush Pal, very good. Okay. Now, yes. Now your next question is. Are you done? Yes. Draw an angle of 90 degree by using compass and scale. Yes. First of all, draw a line segment. That is your AB. Draw a line segment. Now put the tip of compass at point A. Draw an arc. Now put the tip of compass at point A. Draw an arc. Have you drawn or not? That is your C point. Now put the tip of compass at point C. Open the compass as before. Draw an arc. That is your D. And now put the tip of compass at point D. Open the compass as before. Draw an arc again. That is your E. Student, it is your 60 degree arc. It is your 120 degree arc. 60 degree arc, 120 degree arc. 60 plus 120 divided by 2. Bisector of 60 and 120. How many? Bisector means divided by 2. 180 divided by 2. That is 90 degree. Yes. Now, okay. Now put the tip of compass. Now put the tip of compass at point D. At point D, draw an arc. Now put the tip of compass at point P and open the compass as before. आपने कंपास की रेडियस को बार बार चेंज नहीं करना है. स्टार्टिंग में जब आपने कंपास ओपन रखा है उतना ही कंपास आपने ओपन रखना है. ओके, पहले आपने सी पे रखना है, फिर ओके. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पुट द टिप ऑफ कंपास एट पॉइंट ए, ड्रॉ एन आर्क. Draw an arc. Now put the tip of compass at point C and open the compass as before and draw an arc. That is your point D. Now put the compass at point D. At point D and draw the arc of radius as before and you will obtain a point C. Now put the tip of compass at point D and draw an arc. And now put the tip of compass at point E. At point E. E. And draw an arc. Draw an arc. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Have you drawn? Have you drawn?
Yes, sir.
That is your A, B, C, D, E, F. That is your F. That is your F. Join this. This is your right angle, 90 degree. Any doubt? Any problems? That is your F point.
No, sir.
Have you done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mahima, very good.
Sir, please share the screen.
Do it fast. Do it fast.
So please check, ma'am. Sir.
Student.
Please check. Sir, please.
First draw the question, after that I will check. Draw it. Draw it properly. First draw it. Have you drawn?
Yes, sir, please check.
Riya Yadav wrong. Riya Yadav wrong है.
Sir, मैंने presentation start.
Yes, Varsa correct. Varsa correct. Very good.
Sir, number.
Mahima very good. Mahima very good. नवीन कुमार यादव वेरी गुड. जब मैं कहता हूँ वेरी गुड तो नीचे कर लिया करो. हाइड इट.
Yes, Sumit Singh.
नवीन कुमार यादव वेरी गुड. हाइड इट. यस. सुमित सिंह वेरी गुड. चेतना वेरी गुड. क्षितिज वेरी गुड. क्षितिज एक सेकंड 1 सेकंड. That is wrong. क्षितिज wrong. Student, after making it, please measure it with the help of your protractor. आप जब ड्रॉ करते हैं तो ड्रॉ करने के बाद आप इसको प्रोट्रैक्टर से मेजर करके देखिए. प्लीज मेजर इट बाय द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोट्रैक्टर. आपके पास प्रोट्रैक्टर है कि नहीं है? इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? डी कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं इसको? डी. आप उससे मेजर कीजिए और मेजर करने के बाद देखिए कि जो एंगल आपने ड्रॉ किया है वो प्रॉपर है कि नहीं है. प्लीज मेजर योर ड्रॉन angle with the help of protractor. Okay, very good. Listen to me. Now listen students.
सर चिट्ठी तो सही है.
Okay. Listen to me. Time is over. Listen to me. Now you can draw remaining angle, that is 75 degree, 105 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree, 165 degree and 180 degree in homework. Can you draw?
Yes sir.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Please try it. Okay. Please try it. Tomorrow is Sunday. Try it. If you have any problems, any queries, you can ask me on Monday. Okay?
Okay sir.
Try it to draw. Okay. Now, if you will, yes, Punam. What do you want to ask?
Sir, which degree angles you have to draw these?
I have it on the starting. I have written on the blackboard. Now I repeat it. That is your 75 degree, 105 degree, 120 degree, and your 135 degree, 165 degree, 180 degree. Okay.
Okay sir.
150 degree also. Draw it in homework to it. Okay.
Okay sir. Thank you sir.